If nobody said it today, yeah, I just wanna be the one to say I'm proud of you. Yeah, you've been through so much, but you're still standing. You kept the faith when the nights got cold, carried the weight but you never fold. Tears in your eyes till you found the light, even when wrong felt louder than right. They don't know the battles you fight in your mind, but you push through it all, still walking in time. I see you see you and I'm saying from my heart to you, I'm proud of you for holding on. You've been strong all along. You didn't give up even when it was tough. You kept on believing when the road got rough. Here's a hug from me to you for everything that you've been through. God's not done, he's coming through, and he's about to bless you. Patience in your pain, hope in the dark. Faith was a fire lighting your heart. You didn't let go though the storm was loud. Now you're standing tall, you should be proud. To pray when it didn't make sense to pray. You stayed when it would have been easy to stray. Obedience and silence, yeah, that's real strength. And your breakthrough's coming, just wait a little and I'm proud of you for holding on. You've been strong all along. You didn't give up even when it was tough. You kept on believing when the road got rough. Here's a hug from me to you for everything that you've been through. God's not done, he's coming through, and he's about to bless you. Some folks don't hear it enough, that they're doing great, that they're more than enough. So if this your song, let it play loud. You're still here, you made it somehow. Your faith, that was your secret key. Now watch what God's about to release. I'm proud of you, yeah, look how far you've come. You shine like the rising sun. You held on tight when the world let go. You're a miracle, just thought you should know. Here's a hug from me to you for everything that you've been through. God's not done, he's coming through, and he's about to bless you abundantly too. Yeah, your faith was the key. You believe, now you'll see. You're doing great. Don't let nobody make you feel less than that. I see you, and I'm proud of you. Period. This song is for mothers out there. Bless your heart, I'm grateful under your care. Being a mother was never easy. Being one means sacrifice and priority. Being selfless, protective and loving endlessly. Being thoughtful, responsible in every way. Being sensible, organized and positivity. Being a wife, a partner, the light of the family. Being considerate, understanding, decision-making for what the future would be. Mother's Day around the world, the celebration just once a year. So about the other 364 days is the gratitude daily